Your new normal included strolls through places like Coniston Nature Park or Paris Mountain State Park, which is conveniently located right slap in the middle between Greenville and Travelers Rest, about 15 minutes in both directions, but right in the middle of the county as well, which does have several lakes, miles of hiking trails of all different types, and plenty of awesome nature views. If you're looking to relocate to the upstate of South Carolina or just looking for a better or healthier lifestyle, this channel will be your best resource for all things upstate. My information is below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for future videos on relocating to the upstate of South Carolina and all that it has to offer.